Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Pisces water sign, and this reading is from August 1st to August 10th. So let's see what's the messages for you Pisces. The Hermit, 10 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles. I think you are waiting for someone or for something in this connection, because you investing but are you also waiting mode. You want this happiness with your person, but I think it is not there right now, because that's why you are thinking hermit mode. You are thinking a lot. You are spiritually awakening also about this connection. So let's see some more messages for you. Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Justice. I think you want reconciliation with your person. You want to go towards your person. Knight of Pentacles. I think your person hold their coin due to some reasons between both of you. I think your person cut you off or not communicating with you right now. But you are waiting for them. Two of Pentacles, yes. I think you are juggling between two things. That's why your person not talking to you. Queen of Swords, yes, some communication issues going between both of you in past. Knight of Swords, yes, communication. Definitely there is some communication issues happen between both of you. I think your person, you maybe cut them off, or your person maybe cut you off. But Knight of Swords, I think you want to go towards your person. Definitely you want your person. Five of Swords, yes, some fightings. Ace of Cups, King of Cups. Yeah, you love your person. You want to offer your cup of love to your person. And Five of Swords, there are some disputes between both of you, or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person energy, what they are thinking about you. There are some disturbances between both of you. You want this connection, you are waiting for this connection, and you are juggling also, and some communication issues are going between both of you, but love is there between both of you. Yeah, outsider, separation. For some there is separation. I think Five of Pentacles, your person walked away from you because you were cold shouldering, not treating well. You not treating well your person. That's why your person walked away. Consciousness, yes, your person is spiritually awakening right now. Ace of Swords, yeah. Aces, I think if you approach in a right way, there will be a new beginning. Understanding, yes, there are some understanding issues between both of you. You have to understand your person. You have to value your person emotions. Clinging to the past, yes, they are also sad about the separation, but they want to move forward in their life without you, because some issues are whatever happened between both of you. Change, yes, they Wheel of Fortune under the deck. They want change in their life. They want to move forward, because in past I think they may be stuck due to your relationship. That's why they want to move forward, but they love you definitely, because. So let's see one more card about your person. Yes, the Lovers. Yes, definitely love is there between both of you. So if you give value to your person, definitely there is a chance for new beginning. So they walked away due to you, not the reason is only you, not your person, because your behavior, your juggling and whatever you did, they will walk away, I am getting. So it's up to you, Pisces, what to do, what not to do. So this is the reading for you Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.